Tumblebooks. So you go to Clever, okay, and what I do is I just type it up here in the search, Tumble, and then it just comes up, okay? Click that, and you'll already be logged in. And then you need to go to Tumblebooks Search. Now on our site, the name of the story is called Turtle, Turtle, Watch Out. So in Tumblebooks Search, you just start typing in turtle. It's the first one. Turtle, turtle, watch out. So you don't even have to click, you don't even have to type very much. Click that and go. Okay, turtle, turtle, watch out. Now you'll see over here that play video. There's a quiz. So I would play the video. You can see it's going to be 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So you click play video and you watch the video. Now, after the 8 minutes and 30 seconds, then you go to Clever and you go to the Google Classroom, and that is where you take the quiz. Do your best.